Stop by and take a look at the 2025 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, anti-theft security system, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.